Hello everyone, welcome back to Gatemate. In the previous session, we learned about generative AI, LLM models, prompt engineering, and a real-world business application of LLMs. Now, in today's session, we are going to learn about one of the most practical topics, LLM APIs and tools. We will explore popular AI platforms like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Mr. AI, and we will understand how developers use APIs to build real AI powered application. Let's quickly look at today's agenda. First, we will understand what LLM APIs are and why they are important. Then we will explore major AI providers such as OpenAI, Cloud, Gemini, and Mistral AI. After that, we will discuss features, use cases, API workflow, integration process, and finally, we will see how developers set API and use them in real world. Now, let us first understand what these tools actually are. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Mistral builds powerful AI models and provide access to them through API. An API or application programming interface allows software application to communicate with AI models. For example, if you build a chatbot app, your application send a request to API and AI model generate a response. OpenAI is known for GPT models and a strong developer tools. Cloud by Anthropic focus more on safety and long context reasoning. Gemini by Google supports multimodal AI, meaning it can work with text, images, and more. Mistral AI focus on efficient and open source model. The APIs used in chatbots, content generation, search system, automation tools, AI assistant. Now let us understand how LLM APIs works. An API act as a bridge between your application and AI models. The process is simple. First, the application sends a prompt, instruction or parameter, then model process the request and return a response. This is called a request response flow. These APIs provides many capabilities such as text generation, summarization, translation, extraction, tool usage, multimodal reasoning. One more advantage of API is that developers do not need to train huge AI models themselves. Instead, they can directly use powerful pre-trained models through cloud services. This saves time, code, and infrastructure efforts. Overview of major LLM providers. Let's compare major AI providers. OpenAI provides models like ChatGPT 4 and ChatGPT 4o. These models are known for strong coding, tool integration, large ecosystem support. Cloud by Anthropic is popular for long context reasoning, safe AI behavior, document analysis. Google Gemini focuses on multimodal reasoning, Google ecosystem integration, fast integration. Mistral AI focuses on open source model, cost efficiency, flexible development. Each provider has different strengths depending on the business requirements. Some are better for coding, some for reasoning, some for customization. Now let us talk especially about the OpenAI API. OpenAI API are widely used because they are simple, powerful, and developer friendly. This API supports text generation, embedding, source calling, structure outputs, multimodal reasonings. Developer use OpenAI API for AI chatbots, customer support system, document automation, semantic search, code assistant. The workflow is simple. First, create an API, then write a prompt, send request, receives AI responses. In Python, developer usually install the OpenAI SDK and connect the API using simple codes. One major advantage of API is the strong documentation and developer community. Now let us understand Cloud API. Cloud API is developed by Anthropic and is designed with a strong focus on safety and reliability. Cloud is especially useful for long documents, research tasks, legal analysis, healthcare workflow. One important feature is long context understanding. This means cloud can process large amounts of information in a single conversation. For example, a company can upload long reports and ask cloud to summarize or analyze them. Cloud is commonly used in industries where accuracy, safety, and reliability are very important. Now let us move to Google Gemini. Google Gemini is Google's multimodal AI system. Multimodal system means it can process text, images, other input together. Gemini integrates naturally in Google Cloud, Workspace, and Google ecosystem tools. This makes it very useful for enterprise application. Gemini APIs are also support rapid experimentation and development. Developer can quickly build AI assistant, search system, visual reasoning applications. Google is focusing heavily on combining AI with a cloud ecosystem. Now let us talk about Mistral AI. Mistral AI focus on efficient and open source AI model. One more advantage of open source model is flexibility. Your developer can customize models, fine tune them, and deploy locally. This improves privacy, cost efficiency, and control over data. Mistral models are designed to lightweight and efficient. This reduces latency and infrastructure cost. OpenAI is very becoming very important because many companies want more control over AI systems. Finally, let us understand the basic API setup process. First, developer create API keys. These keys allow secure communication with AI providers. Then developer installs SDKs, configure environment variables, send requests using codes. Security is very important while working with APIs. Business must protect API keys, apply rate limits, use proper authentication, monitor usage. In the future, AI APIs will become even more powerful and easier to integrate. We will see better code usage, faster workflow, more intelligent AI agents. So today we learned what API are, major AI providers, OpenAI, Cloud, Gemini, and Mistrals, API integration basics, real world application. Thank you for everyone, and I will see you in the next session.